These are all waterless urinal. I gotta get some water and dump down there. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, fill up the bucket of water. So you can see that slime build up in there. Alright, so this cartridge needs to be replaced. So the management knows that, so they're gonna have to deal with that. Those who don't know, these are waterless urinals. So basically there's a puck inside that cartridge that breaks the uric acid down, the urine acid down, and the urine turns into a calcium, and that's where you get all that buildup in the regular drain. So these break that down, but you still get a little bit of everything else that does go down there, and once that puck is dissolved, it won't flush no more, it won't allow anything to go through. That's why we had water sitting in there. Right, till next time guys, this has been Jay that Dream Guy, signing out. Ciao.